Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 10 Lite and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then scroll down to the wallpaper section. After that, just switch wallpapers. Here you can select the one from the online wallpapers, but you should be connected to the internet, to the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. So let's switch wallpapers to profile. If you want to use your default wallpapers, just tap to the wallpaper section. Now we can here select one from the default wallpapers for your device, or click here to this down right corner to the plus icon and, for example, select from the gallery one from your photos previously taken on device camera or downloaded, for example, from the internet. So let's use one from these default photos. Just tap on it, click to apply and select set as lock screen. You can see that the lock screen wallpaper applied successfully. So let's just check it and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Redmi device. Also, I got one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your device home screen with the finger. Then on the left down corner you will see wallpapers icon, and by the same way you can use your wallpapers defaults or download it, or also we can use the wallpapers here from the internet. So just tap apply, set as lock screen, and let's just lock the device, and as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.